Maybe many already know this method, but not a few do not know how. What's more, those who are new to using Microsoft Word are still confused about inserting photos into Microsoft Word 2019. The method is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end to find out how. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you like it. There are several ways that you can use to insert images into Microsoft Word worksheets. The first method is the one we usually use. The method is to enter the Insert menu, then select Pictures, then to Insert Picture from options will appear. Select this device to insert images from computer storage, then find the desired image, then click on the image and click Insert to insert the image into the Microsoft Word worksheet. The second method is that we do not go through the Insert menu, but we directly search for the desired image file in your computer storage. The method is to open Microsoft Word, then find the desired image in computer storage. After that, click on the image and hold it, don't let go yet. After that, slide the mouse and point it at the Microsoft Word that was opened earlier. After entering the Microsoft Word worksheet, then release it. Immediately the image will appear on the Microsoft Word worksheet. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.